This is the Craig Plaster House in Moberly, Missouri. Currently I'm looking at Squeak, the little fence jumper. Buster, his big brother, who's a little too hefty to jump the fence. We have recently just completed the installation of the Oscillot cat containment system on my backyard perimeter fence, which I'm going to give you a quick tour of. Anyway, I had this product shipped into me from Oscillot in Australia. Took about 10 days to get the product here. The installation went relatively quickly. We did approximately 300 feet in 3 hours. No issues at all in the installation. It was easy. As soon as we got done, Squeak, the little fence jumper, gave it a try. He hit the paddle. The paddle spun as it was intended to, and the little critter fell right back down into the yard, so he is now cat contained. Thank you, Oscillot, for a great product.